Hello, today I'm going to show you how to print a hat design to a standard size piece of paper. Most printers don't print large sheets of paper, so we have to downsize it in order to be able to print it, but you needed a full-size design so that it properly fits your hat. So I typically use Silhouette Studio. It's free to download, anybody can use it. So I'm going to walk you through how to do it, show you the steps. Hopefully it will make printing the files easier for you. Let's get started. Okay, so when you're printing your design, you're gonna set your paper in Silhouette. You just set it to printer size paper, if that's what you're printing to. And then you're gonna need to set your image to, I typically do 12.5 wide. Make sure your width is good and your height is good. And you're gonna have to adjust your dimensions on your design based on that. If you unlock this, you can adjust it exactly to what you need it to be right here. So then you're going to set the design on the paper, print. Only what is on the paper is what's going to actually print. And then once you print that, you'll move your design over, print the other side. Once that prints, you're going to spin it. Typically, you can get it on 3 sheets. Sometimes you need 4. But we're going to move it up like this and then print that. So now it's printing each section, and then we're going to have to tape each section together to make it one solid print because my printer is not capable of printing bigger than legal size paper. I like to print on vellum paper. It's transparent. So I do like that, plus it's more durable, so it makes the templates reusable. Okay, so here's our 3 pieces. Hopefully we don't have to print any more, because it might have cut some off, I'm not sure. We will find out though. So you just want to cut along the edge where there's like a 1/4 inch gap between the end of the paper and what printed. You want it to line up with the edge of the paper. So anywhere you're going to be lining it up on the other piece, you're going to want to cut that off. That one. That's going to overlap here. And then this one, this is the top. This is going to overlap here. That one will overlap that, and I'm assuming this one's going to overlap both sides, so we'll cut both. Okay, so then we're just going to line it all up. Fierce by nature, just overlap that, line up your design perfectly, like so. Good. Okay, and I do have a spot that didn't print, so I'm going to have to print that. So this top corner is missing. I'm going to have to print that. It's fine. And you just want to tape along your seam where you lined it up. Both sides. Okay, so we have the last piece that we had to print because I cut it off. We're just going to line it up just like we did the others, right on top. Just that one little corner we missed. That's good. And then we're going to tape it both ways. So all my seams are taped on this side. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to tape the seams on the back side. Okay, so it took a total of 4 sheets to print the design. Now it's printed. I'm just going to cut it in a circle. I got my fingerprints all over it from the wedding, but that's okay. Okay, my template's ready. And then just grab your hat that you're going to use. My top is there, so I'm just going to line it up, hold it. That's what I like about the vellum, is you can see right through it, so you can see if it lines up. And it's perfect. So then now we would just use the Glad Press and Seal method, which I have another video. If you don't know that method, you can watch that. Trace it, burn it, and that's it. Thanks for watching.